parade of lights here at Imperial.
Stop that, that's too loud.
Yeah, that's too, yeah, you're too loud. There you go. The parade of lights. Parade of lights. There you go. I cannot read it. Ah, parade of lights. Where's the light? There you go. Wow, look at that. Parade of Lights 2025 Imperial County o Imperial City. Vanguard. Oh, Vanguard. Lantok na ako. Ayan, here you go. That's the parade of light. Ito na sila light. Diba? Pride of Imperial. Yeah, all right. Sila ikaw. Ayan o. Kita-kita o. Ayan o. Oh. Is he the one glasses? He's wearing a eye glasses? Ayos. Alright. Oh, let's go home. I already seen Laika.
I didn't know they were gonna be the first.
What are these? Ah, ito si ano?
Yeah, not like that.
Yung bicycle. Ayan o. Ayan, ayun o. Asawa niya si James o. Ayan o. Wala si Claudia. Oh, ay so, ayun o si James o. Oh. Mga bikers. O si Stacy to. Ano? Kilala mo yan. Councilor ng Imperial. Si Stacy Cup. Siya pala yun. motorbike naman hawak. O, sino naman itong mga to? Who are these? Oh, the Muses? Can you read?
Carrot. Carrot.
Carrot, oh, carrot queen. Okay. Oat bill, okay. Ah, Miss Universe, ah. Ganon-ganon ang kaway. Lisbeth, Miss Universe. Ganon-ganon ang kaway. Ay, nako. Oo, that's a very good. Madaya.